In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a social media agency by using GoHighLevel. And it's one tool, and you can set up so many different accounts on it. You can run the whole of your social media agency just using this one tool. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do step by step. But not only am I going to show you how to set up the agency, but I'm also going to show you the earning potential, how much you can potentially earn by setting up a social media agency. Not only that, but if you carry on watching till the end, I'm also going to show you a script to use in order to get clients, in order to attract clients who want to use your services. So do watch to the end. I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know step by step on how to set up a social media agency using GoHighLevel. Now, so this is my GoHighLevel account, and the beauty about GoHighLevel is that you can brand it. So you can create your own brand, just like I have over here. So mine's called System Automate, right? You can call it what you like. So you can call it your agency name and so on. So what you do is you simply click on the marketing tab. And when you click on the marketing tab, you get a summary of here of how many social media accounts you've got connected, how many posts you've done at the moment, and how many posting per day. Then you get a summary of all the posts here. But not only that, but you can see recent posts, you can see all of your posts, you can see the posts that have already been scheduled if you've got some scheduled over here, any posts that have been failed. So you get the point. So you don't need to do too much analysis to see, what's going on. Everything is just here in one very simple to use interface. Now, what you can also do here is you can click on Open Planner, and this will give you like a calendar view of the posts that you got scheduled. So you can see here that we've got four posts over here, and you can click on them and see what the posts are and which platform they are going to be promoted on. So in this case, they're going to be promoted on Google Maps or Google Business Profile. So how do you go about setting up a social media automation within GoHighLevel? So you can set it up as an agency and you can start promoting it. And if you can start promoting it, you can do it either as a side hustle. You may already have a job, or you may have a digital marketing agency and you want to add this as a service to your existing products or services that you offer. So once you click on marketing here, the first thing you'll need to do is add your social media account. So you can click on this option here, and then you can see over here, I've got one account already connected, or you can click on add account. And then over here, you can see that it allows you to add in Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. So you can add all these, and all you've got to do is simply click on them, and it'll ask you for your login details and to authorize access to it. And it's so simple. You can add all of them if you want to, or just the main ones that you want to. Now, again, you can do this per client. You can have different social media accounts for different clients, depending on what you want to charge. Now, then what you do is you can go here and you can click on new post over here. And when you click on new post, it gives you several options to say, well, okay, I understand you want to create some posts, but how do you want to create them? Do you want to create it from scratch, or do you want to upload a CSV? And this is really fantastic because you can get somebody else to create you a CSV for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and then you can simply import it into GoHighLevel, and bang, it's just done in one quick sweep. You can use some templates, and actually, let me show you the social media templates. GoHighLevel has got built-in templates ready for you to use. So you can say, for example, so here's some templates. Select your industry. So let's say, for example, if yours is health and wellness, or your customer is in the health and wellness industry, here's some templates that are already ready to go. Look at this. They've done all the hard work for you. And you can click on here to preview them. And if you like them, you can use them. And all you'll need to do is to edit the actual text that goes with them. So they've already done the hard work for you. So if I, for example, if I click on continue here, let me just show you quickly. It's adding the templates now. And there you are. And now you can click on every single one of these and simply edit the text that you want to edit. You can see over here, there's 25 posts ready for you to go, and you can start posting straight away. Now, the other way is you can create new posts. So you can click on new posts here. And now the beauty about this, you're also using AI, which I'm going to come on to soon. So now what you want to say is that, okay, remember earlier on we connected your social media accounts. So whatever you connected will appear in this list here. So in this case, I've only got one connected, so I'm going to select that. And it's saying, okay, I know this post is going to be for Google Maps. Now what you can do, you've got the option of typing in your text here, and it's got this really easy to use interface here. Or again, you can use AI. So if you use AI, for example, you can click here and it can say generate with AI. So I'm going to click on generate with AI, and now it's saying, okay, well, enter a theme. So give it give it a bit of context that what you want to do. So I've typed in setting up a social media agency. Give it a little bit more description about what is it that you want to post about. And now I want to write the power of using GoHighLevel to set up if I get the spelling right, a social media agency. Then it says, okay, I'll do that, but give me some keywords. So I'm going to type in here social media and type in GoHighLevel, and I'm going to type in agency. Then it says, this is so good. It says, what sort of style of writing do you want? What sort of tonality do you want? And you click on here and it says, you can make it funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, and the list just goes on. So in this case, I'm going to type in, say, professional, for example. And then it says, okay, I'm going to create all this for you. How many variations do you want me to create? And you can create like 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. So I want to stick to 3 for now. How long do you want the content to be? Small, medium, large, or a custom length. So I'm going to stick to small for now, and you simply click on generate button and wait. And you can see within 5 seconds, it's come up with all these ideas. So it's come up with 3 posts, and it says here's post 1, post 2, post 3. So post 1 is embark on a journey to establish a social media agency with the prowess of GoHighLevel, harness the dynamics, and so on. And it's also, look, it's also built in some hashtags for me. And it's done one again. So I can simply choose the one I want and I can click on copy here. And there it is. And now if I want to, I can edit it, or I can just click on continue. Actually, after editing, I can just click on continue. And that's not it yet. So over here now, I can, again, if I want to edit it, I can do. Or if I want to say, if I want to add an image, if I want to associate an image to it, I can click on here and I can click on create image using AI. So again, I use the same sort of process whereby it can create the image for me using the power of AI, or I can upload my own image. Isn't that brilliant? It's saving you so much work. And then you put down the call to action, and then the call to action over here, I'm going to say, well, call to action is learn more. And then over here, I'm going to say, okay, if they click on learn more, where do you want to take them to? And I'm simply going to type in https //ajDhunna.com as an example. You've got some advanced options, but we won't go into that. Now here, check this out. Actually, before I do, look, you can create posts, stories, and reels at the same time, right? So if this was a Facebook account that I've chosen that I want to post to Facebook or Instagram, sorry, then I can choose stories and reels as well. Now what I can do, I can either save it for later, I can put it into, I can post it straight away, or I can click here and I can do several things. I've got several options. I can post now, I can schedule it for later, I can send it for approval. So for example, it could be that you've got one person in your company who's going to create the post and another person who's going to approve them, or your customer may need to approve them. So you can add that in, and only when they've approved it do they go in, do they go live, or you can schedule recurring posts. So if I say schedule post here now, and I can say, okay, I want this page, this post to go out tomorrow, and I want it to go out at 6 a.m. in the morning or 6 a.m. in the morning, and I can click on schedule post. And if I do that, that is it. That's all I need to know. And then I can go to the next post and the next post and the next post. So you can see how easy it is to create these posts using GoHighLevel for social media. And again, using the power of AI to help you write the posts. And you don't have to accept everything that social media, everything AI tells you. You can improvise, you can modify it to suit your branding, your wording, or your specific products or services details. Now what I'm going to show you is what the earning potential is. Now I'm going to show you a couple of competitors. So for example, there's this company down here, Social Pilot, and you can see that they've got plans from $30 a month to $50 to $100 to $200 a month. And they've got limits on them. So with here, they can create 50 social media accounts, and you can do exactly the same. You can create your own packages. Again, we've got Hootsuite from £89 a month, right? The their most common one is £249 a month. Now, just imagine what this would do for your business. Or if you're setting this as a sideline and you're getting £249 a month by simply letting somebody use your service. And then you've got an enterprise or custom version. And then you've got this other company here who's charging from $25 to $200 a month. And don't forget, guys, with this method I'm telling you, you can either provide it as a done for you service, whereby you're managing it for them and you can charge a lot more extra, or you can give them access to the platform. So it's more of a DIY approach. So basically, you're giving them access to your platform or this platform, and they can go in and they can start scheduling their own posts. Obviously, you charge a lot less, but it's also less headache for you as well, right? Because they're doing all the work. All you're doing is providing them the tool to actually create their posts and schedule their posts, right? Which could transform their business. No, now, what I want to talk to you about now, finally, is what I said earlier is, well, it's great setting up a social media agency, but how do you get customers signed up to your social media agency, right? Now, there's lots of different ways you can do this, but one of the most common ways is by using Instagram. So what you can do, you can go to Instagram and you can type in a keyword of your choice. So for example, I'm going to type in, say, window tinting, because I love cars, so I might as well do something relevant to cars. Click on that, and then you can see all the posts here through various companies. And if you hover your mouse over them, you'll see, okay, they've got 6 posts, 690, so it's not really worth contacting them. 150, 2 posts and 4 posts and so on, right? So, okay, and then you can just simply choose one that you want to think that, okay, they got no comment. So this is a company worth looking at. Okay, and I'm going to click on, oh, sorry, I'm already inside. So now that I've entered their profile, I can see all the posts that they've done. And you can see that they haven't got much they're posting occasionally. They haven't got much engagement. So what I can do, I can now send them messages, and the messages will be as follows. Look, so first of all, you want to introduce yourself. You want to get them to start talking to you. If you go in straight and say, hey, we can do your social media, they're not going to listen to you, right? So you've got to get that conversation going. And the way to do it is, I mean, a very simplified way to do it is by choosing either you can do a personalized hook, a curiosity, or a value oriented hook. So, for example, if you want a personalized one, you say, hey, and the name of the company or the name of the person. I came across your profile and loved your recent post about whatever the specific topic was. Is this the best place to ask you a question? Or, hi, so and so, I have a quick question that you might be interested in. Mind if I ask here? So in that way, what will happen is they'll start engaging with you. They'll type in yes or no or whatever. But at least you know they've got you've got their attention, and then you can get into the offer. So you can say, for example, "That's great. That's great. I've developed a new AI software that helps you attract more customers through social media without any ad spend. It's designed to save you time and amplify your reach. Would you be interested in being one of the first to try it out and share your thoughts?" So isn't that brilliant, right? And they'll say, "Oh, okay, they're launching something new. Let me try it out," right? And so presumably it's not going to be too expensive either, and I'll be helping them. Now, if they don't reply, you can just send some follow-up messages, like, for example, hi, so and so, just checking to see if you got my last message. Would love to hear your thoughts and so on. So you can carry on sending these types of messages, and then you can just carry on engaging with them, and then occasionally, go back to your offer again. So that's how you would uh, get customers signing up to your services. So you can tell them, hey, this is what we offer. Yeah, it's X amount per month, and you can either do it yourself, which is this price, or we can do it for you. And if you do it yourself, we'll just give you access to the platform, and you can schedule as many posts as you want to. And then what you can do, you can build your packages. You can say that, hey, okay, if I want to give them access to 2 platforms, so they can do their social media on 2 platforms, that's going to be X amount per month. Or if I'm going to allow them to manage 5 platforms, so it could be Instagram, TikTok, and so on, then I'll charge a Y amount per month. So you can increase your prices. And the beauty about this is you've now got a social media agency without necessarily doing all the social media posting yourself. And even if you were doing it yourself, you charge them a lot more premium price because you're doing them. And when you are doing it, it's so easy because you're using the power of AI in order to create their posts and schedule the posts for them. So that's it, guys. This is how you can use Go High Level to set up a social media agency or even manage your own social media through Go High Level. Now, you only Go High Level starts out from $97 a month. There's a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. Click on it. Try it out for 14 days. Right? Try it out. See how you get on. And I think the current offer is 14 days, but it may change. Sometimes it's 30 days and so on. So just click on the link and you'll be able to get a free trial. If you don't like it, then that's cool. You can walk away from it, right? But if you like it, you can carry on. And at the same time, if for whatever reason you think, you know what, I like it, or I just want to check it out first, or I want to talk to somebody, there'll be a link in the description box below. Schedule a call with me, either me or a member of my team, a 15-minute, and we can show you around it. We can talk to you about how Go High Level can benefit your business, or if there's any other service that you want to provide into the marketing, talk to us and we'll reach out to you. Guys, do remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button. What would be great is to hear any questions from you. What other questions that you've got about this video or setting up a social media agency? And if you want to learn more about, if you want to rewind a little bit and learn a bit more about social media, then check out this video. It gives you an intro as to what Go High Level is and how it compares to other packages like ClickFunnels and all sorts of other funnels. Why is it better than a lot of other packages that are on the market? Goodbye for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.